Kubota Super UDT is a multi-purpose all-weather type hydraulic oil that can be used for various parts. What are the benefits of using Kubota genuine hydraulic oil? It is developed and tested by Kubota expert engineers to ensure the best performance of Kubota machines. Let's see some examples. Tolerance to water. These are pictures of an oil and water mixture test for examining oil and water emulsions. Kubota Super UDT on the left has a high tolerance for water, assuring high filtration performance. A low tolerance oil may cause the filter to clog with oil. Kubota Super UDT assures smooth operation of hydraulic and PTO systems. Prevention of rust and corrosion. Kubota Super UDT on the left is a high rust prevention oil. Low rust prevention oil may result in steel parts rusting faster. Kubota Genuine Hydraulic Oil assures high brake performance, keeping your machine in safe working condition. Anti-wear. Kubota Super UDT offers excellent protection for gears and bearings. Low protection oil may cause gear wear. Kubota Genuine Hydraulic Oil keeps your transmission in good condition, helping your machine to operate its best. Kubota Super UDT has been proven to be the best oil for Kubota machines, improving performance and prolonging the life of your investment. Choose genuine Kubota Super UDT hydraulic oil. It makes all the difference. Contact your local dealer to make a purchase or to get more information.